Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry. How are you doing? I hope you're all fine and healthy. Well, for today's video, we will be playing with a nail sticker from Dashing Diva. We will see if this one sticks to my natural short nails. Are y'all ready? Let's go ahead and start. I got this one from Walmart, and to be honest with you, I forgot the price. When I checked online, you can find this product in Sally's, Ulta, Target, and the price actually differs. I probably got this one somewhere between $8 to $9. As what I always do when it comes to making a nail video, I always show you my natural short nails, and these are ready to go. This is ready for the stickers. This is my first time trying a nail sticker. I'm excited to see how it works on my short nails. Inside this box, you will find a manual, of course, on how to use it. It has 32 gel manicure strips, 20 base colors, 12 accents, prep pad, and a nail file. If you have a good quality nail file, of course, you are welcome to use that nail file. However, I was actually surprised when I saw this. It's a decent size. I thought I will be seeing that super short nail file again, but this one actually works. Of course, we should not skip this step. Let's use the prep pad that's included in the box. This is just actually an alcohol-based pad. This part is so crucial in prepping your nails, just to make sure that the nails are free from oils and any type of residue. Now that my fingers are dry, it's ready for the nail sticker. I am just going to pick the correct sizes for each of my nails. Choosing the best size for each fingers. I am doing this. I am checking the nail sticker if it will completely cover my nails. Here I am using my fingers to lift the nail stickers, but actually on the manual it says in there to use a tweezer. Unfortunately, while I was making this video, I cannot find my tweezers, so yeah, I use my fingers. Anyway, here I am gently placing the nail stickers, making sure it is straight. I also want to make sure that it covers my entire nail. So far, this whole process is super easy, and these nail stickers are actually so forgiving. As you can see, you can peel it off and then realign the nail stickers. I tried my best to adhere the nail stickers to my nails as nicely as I can, and at this point I am happy with the way it looks. Now onto the filing. In this step, I still try to be gentle with it. I don't want to ruin the stickers on my nails, so I'm just doing this motion right here, making sure that I don't pull anything. Usually when you have to file your nails, you use the side-to-side motion, but this one, I decided to just use the downward motion. I just don't really want to disturb the position of the nail stickers on my nails, and this one really helps. In taking off your nail sticker excess, you have to be gentle. Do not be tempted to pull everything. Just like here, always resort to your nail file. And then when you're done, like this, you can safely take off everything without disturbing the nail sticker. I tried to file my nail to make it smoother. Some of you might be okay with this whole situation right here and move on to doing your other nails, but I am a nail biter, and this kind of surface, it's kind of scratchy and it will make me want to peel the stickers off. So to fix this, I just had to put a top coat. I I magically finish all of my nails. Now I am just capping all of the edges to, like, achieve the smoothness that I want for my nails. So far, I had fun with my experience trying on these nail stickers. It's new for me. For a change, I didn't have to deal with glue. Every time I do my nails for the past 5 or 6 years, it has always involved glue. So I'm glad I did this. I am going to give you an update of the nails. We'll see if it will stay or not. This is what my nails looks like after 10 days of wearing the stickers. Shockingly, it's still all there, and this is just the only update that I can give you with the green nails because I forgot to give you an update after 2 weeks of wearing them, but I was able to wear them for 2 weeks. I was so in the mood for these nail stickers that I decided to use another set from this line, and this is what it looks like. And I have been wearing this set for 2 weeks now. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because the audio of this video is so bad, but as you can see, after 2 weeks of wearing this particular nail set, I know it's in rough shape, but it is still there. That's one of the pros in using this particular nail stickers. Even if you get some lifting like this, it's not as obvious and it hangs in there for days. Not like some other nail stickers or nail products in the market right now, like maybe press-on nails. Once a lifting happens, it's just gonna easily pop off. I like this nail because it's subtle and it's a great option if I'm in the mood for natural nails. And I have a lot of mood for nails. Sometimes I like it long, medium, or short. Now, I also like it with stickers. And that is my review for Dashing Diva nail stickers. I hope you find it informative. Before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, show me some love, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button notification to get notified for my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye!